So the SAWAP project being implemented in Ghana is called the Ghana Sustainable Land and Water Management Project. This project is being implemented in the 3 northern regions of Ghana, and it is a 10-year project being supported by JEP through the World Bank. The project started in 2011 and it's going to end in 2020. The project is also working within the Western Wildlife Corridor, which is the biological corridor between Nazenga Game Ranch in Burkina Faso and the Mole National Park in Ghana. The project is also working in 8 gazetted forest reserves where we are doing enrichment planting and developing and publishing management plans for the forest reserves. The project activities aims at supporting farmers to adapt to sustainable land and water management practices, to be able to improve their yield and also manage their land for sustainable future. And one of the most important activity that we did, which was very successful, was in Boko West district, which is one of our most successful districts in the project. And this project district, some of the activities that were undertaken included the soil fertility activities, soil erosion control, and then also agroforestry. And then one of these activities, which is the soil fertility activities, the farmers were constructing compost pits, which they apply to their field to be able to improve upon their yield. And they use the raw materials which they get from after they harvest their field. These are the materials that they use for the compost. Before, they used to burn these raw materials, and then also they left it to wild animals to be able to feed on it. So they use these as a resource, the field material as a resource for the composting, and they apply to the field. And based on evidence from the field and then also interactions with the farmers, they have indicated that there has been increase in their yield because of the composting and some of the soil fertility and agroforestry activities they've been doing. And some of these activities have been even taken up by farmers who initially were not part of who have not been supported by the project. They are doing the compost pit on their own due to the enormous benefits they've seen in the use of these sustainable land and management practices.